Oh, we were looking at the
Oh yeah,
results
we got from there to here to there to there to there.
this. We're
Oh,
back
do you
to
need the
the
byte size one? Okay,
Ryzen
you're
7
good.
5700G review. URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. And this is the problem with benchmark charts is we got so off the rails because they show an i5 9400F 6-core 6-thread chip beating a Ryzen 7 3800 XT, which is nonsense. Goodness gracious.
And people read these and go,
Ryzen 5 5600X is faster than a 5700. You know what? And people are going to go, oh, I better get this. See, it's faster. God. Battlefield 5, what do they show? Yeah, they show the 5600X beating it in Battlefield 5. It probably does. 207. I'm curious how they tested that, though, because, you know, there's no built-in benchmark, and that's a very variable game. You'd have to probably do scripts. Borderlands 3? Oh, my goodness. They probably ran the built-in benchmark here. What's the stupidest chip in this list? i5 11400F is faster than an overclocked Ryzen 7. Do you see what's wrong with all these charts, folks? CSGO! Oh, good Lord. Oh, that's funny. They have the i5 10400F faster in Cyberpunk. Hey, honey. Oh, you ran off. I don't even know what to say about this. I would have looked at all this stuff years ago, too, but it's just...
what, honey?
I was scrolling through the various games. That's all.
Are you still shaking your head?
Yeah.
Do you want another cuppa or do you want anything? Or what do you want some?
Iced tea.
You want some iced tea?
Please.
Okay.
What do you guys think in chat? Mr. Q says, oh my god, who made those benchmarks? Tech Power Up. They probably came up with those numbers, but it's a clean test bench in perfect conditions with everything optimized to give the best frame rate number possible, irrespective of any other results. Chris says those 9400s are holding their own. Oh. Sure they are. A 5600X is a great gaming chip. Excellent price performance for $250. They aren't $250 though. I mean, if you get one for $250, they're not as bad for $250, but they're not $250. And they haven't been $250. There's a lot of people who paid $300 for those over the past 6 months. Wow. I don't even know what to say. What's their conclusion? Value and conclusion. High price, yeah, 360 is annoying, but it is what it is. The cache, yeah, it's an issue a little bit. Yeah, the Vega GPU is kind of crap. Only supports PCI Express 3. I don't care.
I can pull it up.
You
gave me the Batman one. I got some root beer.
Do you know why I'm right about the benchmark chart issue?
Why?
Because I'm Batman.
Because you're Batman. Who am I with root beer? Virgil's handcrafted root beer.
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key that is a real product key, activates directly with Microsoft, use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and it works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for about $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. It also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years now and recommend you do so as well.